Hi friends, welcome to our channel Civil Estimation. Today we will discuss about calculation of cement and sand for plastering 20 mm thick with waterproofing. So to do the 20 mm thick plastering 1 square meter of work, how many cement bags are required, how much cubic meters of sand is required, and how much ml of or quantity of waterproofing compound is required. We will discuss about that in detail. In previous videos we have discussed about 12 mm thick plastering in 2 coats for the even surfaces of internal walls and 20 mm thick plastering for external uneven surface of external walls. So this is the normal red brick work masonry. For this, normally after completion of every 4-5 layers of the red brick work, we will do the racking of joints. Racking of joint means with the wooden trowel we will make the grooves along with the joints. Why you want to make that grooves while applying the plastic? That plaster mortar will goes into that joint, so that automatically the bond between the masonry and the plastic will develop. That is the purpose we will make the racking of joints. Normally this is the external uneven surface plastering. We will do with the waterproofing compound with 20 mm thick plastering. See here, normally we are talking about 20 mm thick plastering. After seeing this picture we can understand how much undulations are there. See here, this beam is not in line with this above and bottom brickwork layers. So automatically then the cement mortar quantity will be more than what we consider 20 mm thick. Not only that one, see here some of the joints are not filled properly while constructing the brick masonry. Then all these voids while applying the plastic we need to fill. So automatically then the plastering quantity will be more. Now we'll calculate. So this is the normally BOQ description. Waterproof plastic 20 mm thick in 2 coats with base coat of 16 mm thick in cement mortar 1:4 and top coat of 4 mm thick in cement mortar 1:3 with Dubara sponge finishing mixed with integral waterproofing compound of phos rock or equivalent. Make with prior approval from the engineer in charge. Mixed in the proportion recommended by the manufacturer, including cost and conveyance of all materials like cement, sand, water, etc. to site, cost of seigniorage charges and all other taxes, operation incidental charges and all labor charges, mixing mortar, finishing, scaffolding, lifting charges, curing, including cutting, grooves, etc. as directed by engineer in charge, complete for finished item of work for external uneven plastering 20 mm thick in cement, sand, mortar. Location external wall surfaces, uneven surfaces with waterproofing compound, unit 1 square meter. Base coat thickness, base coat we will discuss about base coat. Thickness 16 mm thickness. See here base coat as per the specification also 16 mm 1:4. 16 mm thickness, 16 mm divided 1000 is equal to 0.016 in terms of meters. Cement, sand, mortar 1:4, 1 cement and 4 parts of sand. Sum of the mix ratio 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Wall area assume 1 meter into 1 meter is equal to 1 square meter. Wet mix plastering volume is equal to 1 into 1 into 0.016 meter, means all in terms of the meter. So 1 meter and thickness also 0.016, that is equal to 0.016 cubic meter. Add extra 30% for filling of racking joints and covering of undulations, line and level in wall. To do like this, suppose see here all these undulations, all these voids in masonry, to cover all those things we need to multiply with 30% of the wet mix. So now original wet mix volume is 0.016 plus 30% of 0.016 is equal to 0.0208 cubic meter. Then add extra 25% for dry volume, that is equal to wet mix of 0.0208 plus 25% of 0.0208 is equal to 0.0260 cubic meter of the total dry volume of cement and sand mortar for the base coat of 16 mm thickness. Then cement we will calculate. So total dry volume of the cement sand mortar 0.0260 multiplied by 1/5 means total sum of the factor 5 into cement proportion 1, that is equal to 0.0052 cubic meter of the cement. 1 cubic meter of cement is equal to 28.8 bags, that is equal to 0.15 bag per 1 square meter of 16 mm thickness. Sand total wet mix of this so total dry mix of the cement and mortar is equal to 0.0260 divided by sum of the proportions 5 into multiplied by the sand proportion 4, that is equal to 0.021 cubic meter. Similarly, finish coat thickness is 4 mm. See the specification, 4 mm top coat of 4 mm 1:3. 4 mm thickness, 4 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.004 meter. Cement to sand mortar 1:3, 1 part of cement and 3 parts of sand. Sum of the mix ratio 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Wall area assume 1 meter by 1 meter 1 square meter. Wet mix plastering volume is equal to 1 into 1 into 0.004, thickness is equal to 0.004 cubic meter. This is the finish coat. So we no need to add any the racking of joints, covering of undulations. It is already covered in the base coat. So that's what we written here, nil, because this is the finish coat. So we want to add only extra for the dry volume conversion factor, that is 25%. So total wet mix of the 0.004 cubic meter plus 25% of the 0.004 is equal to total 0.005 cubic meter. Then cement is equal to total dry volume of the cement and mortar 0.005 cubic meter divided by the sum of the proportions 1 plus 3 4 multiplied by the cement factor 1. So that is equal to 0.001 cubic meter of the cement multiplied by 28.8 bag for cement is equal to 0.036 bag. Similarly, sand, what is the total dry volume of the cement sand quantity 0.005 cubic meter multiplied by the 1 divided by 4 sum of the proportions multiplied by the cement sand proportion factor 3, that is equal to 0.004 cubic meter. See this 25.8 also how it came, we will explain once again. Cement unit weight is equal to 1440 kg per cubic meter. 1440 divided by 1 bag weight is equal to 50. So that is 28.8 bags per 1 cubic meter cement. That's why we multiplied by 28.8 here directly. Then the total material base coat plus finish coat per 1 square meter. Material cement base coat how much? Base coat, see base coat cement 0.15 bag, 0.15 bag, and finish coat cement 0.036, total 0.186 bag. Then sand base coat 0.021 cubic meter, 0.021 cubic meter. Then finish coat 0.004, total is equal to 0.025 cubic meter. Then waterproofing compound dosage as per the manufacturer recommendation. See here, this is the waterproofing, integral waterproofing liquid admixture for concrete, plaster and mortar. This is what mentioned in our specification also. See, integral waterproofing compound of phosrock or equivalent, any equivalent. Now we will discuss about only phosrock. See, this is the Complast WL extra is the liquid waterproofing admixture for the mortar. This dosage what has given here, recommended dosage, the optimum dosage is 200 ml for 50 kg bag of cement. That's what we calculated here, 200 ml for 50 kg bag of cement. That is the total for 1 square meter for this 20 mm for these proportions. How much cement bag is required? 0.186 bag. So 0.186 bags of cement into 200 ml per bag of cement is equal to 37.2 ml is required. So finally, to do the waterproofing plastering of 20 mm thick in 2 coats with a base coat of 16 mm thick 1:4 and a top coat of 4 mm thick 1:3 with integral waterproofing count of phosrock or equivalent, we need 0.186 bags of cement, 0.025 cubic meters of the sand and 37.2 ml of the waterproofing compound. Thank you very much.